Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, NZDCAD. Now this was the resistance here, previous support and resistance again. This level has been broken to the upward. Now this pair is looking at the next resistance at 0.87090. This is bullish and it has continued its bullish trend. Now this pair is looking at 0.87090. And let us see what has done this. Why have I inserted here this? This is the 4-hour retest. Pair went up, broke the level and came downward to retest this level. Now in 4-hour time frame, it is looking like retest, but let us confirm this on hour and 4 and 15 minutes. On 1 hour time frame, this is the retest. Again, let us see this on 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, this is exactly how these were 15 minutes that were so powerful, bullish. These were and the pair, after retesting these 4-hour levels and broke the level upward. So now this is bullish and this is going to the upper resistance. Now this is pair is looking at 0.87090. So this is a good buy position. Subscribe my channel, like this video and share with others, and let me know in the comments what do you think of this my analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.